October, as well as 20 youths have surrendered. Can you explain about that?
Yeah, yesterday, last night, we got some information that around 20 cadres they are hiding in the jungle along with arms and ammunition. So we intercepted them and we persuaded them, and they came to the mainstream with us. And total 20 cadres, and from them we have recovered automatic rifles 6 numbers, then single shot rifles 4 numbers, 3 pistols, then 5 numbers of hand grenade, and some AK ammunition and pistol ammunition.
The target by them.
Actually, from the preliminary, it's a very preliminary yeah, information, but we have learned that they were trying to form a new outfit. They didn't give the name yet, and we'll try to find out who are the who backed their formation, and if anyone supported them financially to form this group. We'll try to find out. We'll interrogate them each and everyone individually within next 2 days, and we'll try to find out more details.
They have
Actually, we intercepted them, we persuaded them, and they came along with us. So they are not
jungle or they
yeah, they have been taken out from the jungle only, from Chirang Kokrajhar bordering area. It's in the northern side of the highway.